This kid is hacking. I'll show you his name in a second, after he kills me or something. Killer and click aimbot. The usual. I'm actually on my laptop. I'm always hidden. He should have a lot of knockback because I'm shooting him with the bow. Hacker's not gonna learn. And he's dead. Let's see if it's in real quick. Oh yeah, you can see Killer. He was eating a god apple. Is my helmet down? Okay, I'm on a god apple, so he's gonna kill me. I'm gonna show you his name, and that's all. Yeah, you done? You done? 1 second, I'm grabbing his name. There he is. Oh, you can see that good enough. 1 second. It's right there. Okay, no. He's right there.